Directual is making some waves in the no-code space, but does it live up to the hype? If you're looking for a backend builder that claims to simplify your workflow, stick around as we dive into the details and see if it really delivers. Directual aims to provide a no-code solution for building backend systems, which means you can create complex applications without writing a single line of code. The platform allows users to connect APIs, create databases, and manage data flows visually. At first glance, the user interface seems pretty intuitive, especially for those who might be new to no-code tools. You can design your backend with a drag-and-drop editor, which is a big plus for users who prefer a hands-on approach without technical jargon. However, while the core functionalities are clear, some aspects feel a bit underexplained. For instance, the performance of applications built on Directual can vary, and there's not a ton of information available about scalability. It's also worth noting that the intended audience appears to be startups and small businesses, but larger organizations might find the platform lacking in certain advanced features that they may need. One of the standout strengths of Directual is its user-friendly interface, which can really help beginners get up and running quickly. The ability to connect various APIs without coding is another major plus. However, there are some frustrations to consider. For one, the documentation could use more depth. It sometimes leaves users hanging when they encounter issues. Additionally, some users have expressed concerns about the platform's reliability and speed, particularly during peak usage times. Pricing can also be a sticking point, as it's not the cheapest option out there, especially if you're looking to scale your application. This tool might not suit users who require robust customizations or those with highly complex back-end needs. But if you're a small business or a startup looking for straightforward back-end solutions, Directual might just fit the bill. In conclusion, Directual is a solid choice for those new to building backends without coding, but it does come with some limitations. If you're a small business in need of a straightforward solution, it's worth a try. However, larger organizations may want to explore alternatives that offer more comprehensive features and support.